In a vast savannah, under the African sun, lived a wise old African buffalo named Bantu. He was strong and resilient, but he was also known for his wisdom. One day, a young lion named Simba approached Bantu with a question. "I am the king of the beasts," Simba boasted, "but I am not as wise as you. Tell me, how can I rule the savannah with justice and strength?" Bantu thought for a moment, then replied, "Simba, your strength is a gift, but wisdom is a choice. To rule with justice, you must first understand the needs of those you govern." Simba, eager to learn, asked, "How can I understand the needs of others?" Bantu answered, "Seek out the quiet and the meek, for they often have wisdom to share. Listen to the cries of the young, for they are the future. And cherish the wisdom of the old, for they have lived many seasons." Simba listened carefully, then asked, "But what of my enemies? Should I show them mercy?" Bantu smiled, "Mercy is a powerful tool, Simba. It shows strength and wisdom. But do not confuse mercy with weakness. Be merciful to those who deserve it, but do not let them take advantage of your kindness." Simba thanked Bantu for his advice and left, determined to rule with wisdom and strength. Months passed, and Simba's rule became fair and just. He listened to the meek and the young, and his kingdom prospered. He showed mercy to those who deserved it and was feared by those who did not. One day, a hyena named Kibo challenged Simba's rule. Simba, remembering Bantu's words, showed Kibo mercy, giving him a chance to prove his loyalty. Kibo, seeing Simba's strength and wisdom, became one of his most loyal subjects. In the end, Simba ruled his kingdom with justice and strength, all thanks to the wisdom of the old African buffalo, Bantu. And so, the story of Simba and Bantu serves as a reminder that strength alone is not enough to rule. One must also possess wisdom, listen to others, and show mercy when necessary. For wisdom is a choice, and those who choose it wisely will lead their people to a prosperous future.